Hello, Assalamualaikum. We are from JBA 2405A. We would like to present about depression. Our application name is Self Remedy. These are our group members. First is Nurul Nabihah, second ASHIKIN, third NORJANNAH, fourth Nurul NATASHA, fifth HANIS SURAYA, and lastly is me, FAZRIN SHAZWANI. What is depression? Depression is a common and serious medical illness that negatively affects how you feel, the way you think, and how you act. It can lead to a variety of emotional and physical problems and can decrease your ability to function at work and at home. This is a common thing that happens to everyone. The community, regardless of age or gender, may experience the depression.
I'm sad. I'm stressed. I feel ugly. I'm not hungry anymore. I'm so tired all the time. I'm just having a really hard time. And I don't know what to do anymore.
And this is empathy map for user group, which is community about depression. The task is having family problem, pressure with environment, busy with commitment, and lastly boring and lonely life. For the influence, this application can do sharing session to express feeling and problem. Second, to change environment with positive vibe. Next, be able to spend time for self-time. And last, to fulfill free time with productive activities.
Thirdly, feeling. There are 4 points which are first, the individual may feel several situations like stress and engage in unhealthy behavior. Second, feel unmotivated to perform any task in their daily life. Third, the person easy to burn out with the current situation. And lastly, always overthinking and blame ourselves. It can be worse if someone didn't change their daily life. Fourthly, in empathy map, which is overall goal, the depression person will find their happiness if they change their current life. The first point for overall goal is the person will able to express their feeling and problem with trusted person like family and friends. Second, able to release tension and provide positive vibe by having some activity. Thirdly, finding inner peace with ourselves, and lastly, feel more joy and happy with life. By having all these kind of features in this application, people will get their happiness and overcome the depression.
And lastly, for the empathy map is pain point, which are always quarreling and facing miscommunication, receive negative vibe, feel hopeless and easy to give up in life, and lastly is feeling unwilling to move on in life.
Next is the use case exploration of Canvas. On the right side, the problem space. First is the community. The goal of the application is able to express their feelings and problem to release tension. Second is finding their inner peace with ourselves to feel more joy and happiness with life. The pain is by the community first, always quarreling and facing miscommunication that will receive negative vibe. Second, feel hopeless and easy to give up in life. Third, the gain. First, it can help heart health. Second, it can help manage pain.
Next, for the solution space is number 6, product or services. We will create apps that have the right features for every mental health situation. Some of our features are free, and for gaining a better experience, premium subscribers can have unlimited access. The most important thing is that this app targets all communities who want to strengthen their mental health, gain motivational energy, and live a healthy lifestyle. For number 6 is resources, which the government may assist us in developing this application, providing advertisement, data from R&D, and also information from innovative and creative technology.
Next, stakeholder who will work together in this application is psychological doctor, travel agency, entertainment company, and popular online bookstore. Lastly, the rules to develop this application is, for the first, government. Develop the application that have a lower cost. Create application that to help a person have a mental illness. For the individual citizens, provide the support that create application developed by Malaysians. Personal information safety for user. And lastly, give a feedback for future improvement.
This is user persona by depression people. Her name is ASHIKIN. She was 22 years old. She was a final year student degree in traveling. She was busy with her thesis and assignment. She didn't have a time to rest even a day. The problem is she only focused on academic. There are not any entertainment, lack of time management, lack of social skill, and no friends. The goal she needs is she wants to have a good environment. She wants to watch movie and listen to music without any limits, and also want to have a confidence to talk to any other person without any worries. The recommendation made by her is to make an application that can motivate to do interesting activities, and also application that can give her inner peace.
The second user persona for this application is Iskandar Arasha. He was a businessman that have huge responsibility toward his company. He need to make sure all done perfectly. The activity that he always do every day are working and attend the meeting, and he also need to face many people every day. His problems are always busy with work, pressure with environment, and didn't have time with family. Iskandar recommends some solution to overcome his problem, like first, make application that have entertainment platform. Second, application that have recommendation places to release the tension.
Of user persona for this application is Fatin Rosli. She is a housewife, 29 years old. She is a busy housewife with her 3 kids that do not have much time to have her own time, or we call it as me time. Every day she will taking care of her child and manage her husband. She always do a same activity every day, which is cleaning a house and preparing a meal. Her problem is busy managing their family and boring with the same activity. She cannot find an application that is suitable for her and satisfy her need as a user. Her goals and needs is to have her own time to do whatever she wants, such as watching movie without disturb with her kid. She also needs an application that can release her after a whole day do housework. She recommend application that can make her feel motivated to perform a task or activity, and the application that have features that can release her stress.
For the next user persona is Putri Arisha. She is a student of secondary school, 16 years old. Form 4 student in religious science stream that too busy with a lesson and preparation for SPM. She has a parent who want their children to get a score in SPM subject. She have a too much stress with surrounding. As a student, every day, her activity just doing homework, helping mother manage chores at home, spend time on the phone to study on YouTube. And this will become deprived for students when the situation like now, COVID-19, and during MCO, they just sit at home and spend time with studying online. And the problem is she always busy with lesson and homework, pressure from her family and the environment, parents often fight and quarrel at home, lastly no friends to chat and have fun with. The goal and needs that she wants is able to express a feeling by telling problem, have a place or app for funds to release tensions, and need high motivation to stay motivated and strong.
The last user persona is Nurul, which is a human resource worker, 29 years old and in a relationship. Her everyday activities is she spends most of her time at work. On her days off, she simply spends time at home alone. Her problems are she is too busy with her career and doesn't have any time for herself. Her partner also doesn't understand her working life till lead to misunderstanding and always argued. Therefore, for the recommendation for Nurul programs are, we can create an app that can at any time express their feelings on chat or live, and also need a platform that can recommend some useful outdoor activity ideas.
That's all from us. Thank you.